Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for gold for Thursday, September 26th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Unfortunately, that uptrend has been continued on a black body candle, and this suggests that the momentum that the buyers built for the previous day's trading has very much evaporated. That shift in momentum towards the sellers has occurred quite quickly, and we have the sellers closing with control of this market as well, whereas the buyers had control for the previous day's trading. The black body denotes the sellers making a decent amount of net bearish progress in the day between the open and the close, as opposed to the buyers for the previous day's trading. And the market trading and closing down below the midpoint level and between the midpoint level and the low suggests that the sellers have taken control, and it's a moderately strong form of control. We did see the sellers lose commitment around the 1320 level, and for the past four candles the market has tested down below that level and failed to close down below there. So that's an important support level for this market, as is the support around 1309 and then down around the 1300 level of the round number support. The market has found resistance up above the cloud once again and around the Tenkan-sen, and that's quite interesting that for the second consecutive trading day the market has attempted to trade up above there and has been strongly rejected from there for today's trading. This suggests that there is a possibility of a change of trend, so we will be looking for a potential lower high and lower low, even though the trend is up. But we do still need to keep an eye on the high for the potential for the trend to continue, but the market will need to trade through the top of the cloud once again, and that may offer itself as strong resistance. And also at the Tenkan-sen we may see strong resistance, and that's trading around the 1333 level. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, and here today we've seen the market test to the 38.2% level again and now be strongly rejected from there, and this does suggest a good possibility of a change of trend to the downside, so we are on the lookout for confirmation of that with a lower high and a lower low. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and here today we've seen the market test exactly to the 50% level and be rejected fairly strongly from there. Once again, looking for a potential confirmation of that with a lower high and a lower low. In terms of Ichimoku, the market now has shifted back to being a neutral market in the long-term time frame, whereas we had the bullish breakout up above the top of the cloud, giving us a buy signal with Ichimoku. Here now we've seen the market close back within the cloud, giving us a neutral bias in that long-term time frame. We also have the market trading below the Kijun-sen, so still a bearish market in the medium-term time frame, and also now a bearish market in the short-term time frame, where the market was fairly neutral previously, and we were looking for a bullish breakout and hopefully a close up above that Tenkan-sen to confirm a change in sentiment, but we haven't seen that. And here we've seen the Tenkan-sen now hold as resistance for this market, so that is very, very important for this market moving forward. Looking across here at the Chikou span, that is below the corresponding price action, so it's suggesting that there still is quite some negative momentum in this market in the bigger picture time frame, and it is supporting the bearishness that we're seeing in the medium and fast term time frames, and suggests that this market may still trade down to lower levels. Now, as I've mentioned, the support level that may come into play is down around 1309, but we have a zone that extends roughly from about this 1320 down to there, and then down to around the 1300 round number, and even down to the bottom of the cloud, where it's trading at the moment roughly down around the 1290 to 1287 level. To the upside, strong resistance, importantly early in trading around the top of the cloud around 1334, then up around the highs that the market has traded to around 1340, and then certainly up to the 1350 level. So very important for this market will be the low, and we have potential for a change of trend, so we will be looking for that, but we can't discount continuation of the trend because the trend is still up. That trend remains in force until we have evidence otherwise, but certainly the short-term dynamics are favouring a change of trend to the downside.